It sure is a peaceful morning, isn't it, Mom?
It sure is.
I'm sorry to interrupt your daydreaming, but the ship leaves in an hour. Perhaps we should start packing up.
Oh, no worries, mate. We'll be there soon enough. After all, I've already packed.
So, Dr. Kilroy, what else do you know about Egypt?
First off, did you know that the ancient Egyptian alphabet didn't have a letter C?
No, I didn't. What else do you know?
What I also find interesting is that the limestone blocks that once covered the Great Pyramid fit together so well, not even a knife blade can be slid between them. However, the limestone blocks were later removed to build Cairo. Finally, did you know that the eagle on Egypt's flag represents the country's struggle to become a republic?
Speaking of struggles, I think we're about to go through one.
Come on! Why won't you let me give any more directions?
You got us lost out in the desert, and because of that, Johnny caught up to us.
And if Patrick hadn't been Butterfingers and dropped the tablet, we wouldn't need to go steal their rubbing.
Aye, Mr. Sinister, there be Johnny on that roof.
You're taking this pirate thing too far. We even had to stop at the Disney store so you could buy the foam hook and eye patch. It has to stop now.
Sorry, Mr. Sinister. It's just that the pirate costume makes me feel more swashbuckling.
But she's right. Johnny is up there.
They've spotted us. What will we do?
We need to get to the ship now. So long, Sinister.
Not yet. Well, that isn't good.
Not good at all. We better head to our cabin. So, what are we looking for?
We're looking for a rubbing of some tablet. Nothing less, nothing more.
Yes, sir.
But Doc simply...
They must already be on the ship. We'll have to split up. Pippin, Sarah, come with me in the front. Harry, you take Dr. Kilroy and Hiram to the back.
Surrender now or face my rifle's wrath.
Aye, look over there. It's Brendan Fraser.
I don't see him. You tricked me. Now I'll get my revenge.
I am armed and dangerous.
You may have gotten him, but you'll not get me.
My arm!
Suits you right. See you soon.
Are you all right?
Don't worry, it's only a scratch, but you must hurry. He's getting away.
Oh, crikey! She's working for Sinister. Why?
I'll tell you why. Because I wanted the pay, I wanted the excitement, I wanted the puffy shirt, but most of all, I wanted the sword play.
If that's the way you want it, so be it.
Shoot them!
Oh, shoot! Shoot!
That ain't me, you idiot!
Boys, there's more!
No cover for you. Oh no!
Oh, if you're gonna get shot! Stop drinking that grog and help us out!
Don't worry.
Here's what we'll do. Keep them at bay while Sally and I look for this rubbing. What are you doing?
They're trying to get inside.
Let me help. Out of the way.
Curses! Thunder's tricked us.
What do we do now?
Follow me. You lied to us. You said there was a rubbing when there wasn't one in reality.
But I saw him do it with my own two eyes.
You saw him do this? I've had enough of you. You're crock food.
No!
Raid's off. There's no rubbing anywhere. Retreat!
But there is a rubbing. Did you hide it somewhere?
There was a rubbing. You see, for safety reasons, I wrote down the translation, then burned the paper.
That was good thinking. At least the original tablet wasn't damaged, right?
No, not at all. And it's still safe in the museum.
I'm sorry, but your trip will have to end here. Unless you would like to take a return trip to Cairo.
What happened?
Nothing, Sarah. We just have to get off here since the Aswan High Dam is blocking the way.
Okay, then. Good luck on your adventure.
Dang it, that dam was in the way. How will we get there now?
I do know someone in town that owns a Zeppelin. Perhaps he could help us.
Good idea. Let's go there right now.
Thanks for helping us.
See you, friend. Come back soon.
I certainly wouldn't want to book with them.
I could use a new ranch.
I would like to rent this Zeppelin.
Hey man, do you have like 5,000 pounds? It's only like 4,000 pounds without the pilot.
Isn't that a little steep?
Not at all.
Hey, you throw in some extra cash, you get the pilot.
Sorry, we already have one.
Okay, the Zeppelin's totally yours, without the pilot.
The land of Egypt is such a historic site.
So, what else do you know about Egypt?
One thing interesting is that the ancient Egyptians also mummified animals. These included cows, cats, dogs, crocodiles, snakes, and even hippopotami. Also, the tomb of Ramses III, also known as the tomb of the Hafiz, features wall paintings depicting everyday life, which is unusual for the pharaoh's tomb. In addition, when the Aswan High Dam was built in 1968, Abu Simbel had to be moved to higher ground to save it from the rising waters that now form Lake Nasser.
Amazing! But how are they able to move a monument so big?
Like an old song used to say, Mama told Papa and Laura told Nick, you can move a mountain if you do it brick by brick.